I know you've seen this before. The great floating beach ball trick. You can do it with different things, but yeah, a leaf blower, a hair dryer, the air comes up and goes around the ball. All right, so it's called Bernoulli's principle, but what if you could do it with something unusual like a screwdriver? Is that possible? Well, it is, but you're gonna have to reconfigure something. Yes, that's right, your shop vac. So watch what I did. Took the shop vac, instead of it now pulling air in, it's gonna blow air out by taking the hose and putting it on this end here. So it's fast moving air that's coming out. And now we're gonna use a screwdriver. So watch this. I know it seems impossible, but watch. It's a floating screwdriver trick. What about this? How about a carrot? Will a carrot work? Get that. Most amazing, a soup ladle. Stay there. Look at that. All right, what do all these have in common? That's right, it's the curved surface, right? It throws you off because you've seen a ball float in the air, but all of these have a curved surface on the top, and the air is actually coming up and going around that curved surface. It's called the Coanda effect. I know you might not have heard of it before, and that's what helps give it lift. It's that fast-moving air that creates the area of low pressure. We call that Bernoulli's principle. You're just looking for things that have a curved surface. Now, normally you couldn't see anything like that, so watch. I'm gonna put the tape on here like this so you can see the string. There you go. Got it? Watch it travel around the curved surface. That's the Coanda effect, the tendency of those molecules to follow a curved surface. So look, this works because the carrot, I've curved the surface on the top like this, and it works. But watch. It doesn't work. Now your job is to find the most unusual things. How about this? Baby or light bulb? You pick. Baby. Good idea. All right, here we go. It's not a real baby. All right, here we go. Stay there, baby. It's the floating baby trick. That's right. You're going to float the most unusual things using a brand new principle you know called the Coanda effect. I'm Steve Spangler, and that's your strange objects floating in the air science minute. Seriously, a floating baby. All right, I'll do this.